To change the language of your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 Classic, first of all, we'll need to open Galaxy Wearable app on the smartphone device currently connected with our smartwatch. We can then move to the watch settings right here and then scroll down again until we locate General Options. Now inside we should be able to select the language, and if you don't see any options, that means you need to download additional options on your phone, and you can do that by opening a settings on your smartphone. Scroll down. In most cases you will find it in additional settings, advanced settings. Go for languages and input, select the languages, and then we can use different language on our phone. In this case I'm gonna go for Polish. Probably you won't be able to understand anything here except if you know that language. So anyway, I have that language set up, so my phone will basically reboot the UI. So we need to go back to Galaxy Wearable, and then if we move to our languages, when it refreshes the settings,